down wet earth layer by layer, allowing the fierce South American sun to bake each tear into a rock-hard ceramic shield. It is a slow, rhythmic labor of love. What emerges is a remarkable mud fortress, a seamless, weatherproof dome designed to withstand the most violent thunderstorms. This is more than just a nursery. It is a monument to persistence, a sanctuary of sun-baked earth built to cradle the next generation. Dedication knows no sunset. Under the silver moon, the Rufus Hornero pair continues their tireless labor, layering mud in the quiet of night. Even as torrential rains lash the pampa, their earthen fortress stands defiant. A monument of grit, built brick by brick to endure the elements and protect the future. From the first mud brick to the hatching of new life, the Rufus Hornero is a fierce guardian. They repel intruders with relentless aerial strikes, turning their sun-baked fortress into an impenetrable sanctuary. Whether facing egg thieves or hungry predators, their courage remains as unyielding as the walls they built. When the threat passes, the work resumes. There is no celebration, no pause to reflect, only the quiet return to purpose. Piece by piece, the structure grows once more, shaped by patience and repetition. In this landscape, progress is not measured in moments, but in persistence over time. At last, the moment arrives. Within the safety of the chamber, the first egg is laid. Small, delicate, yet full of possibility. It is the quiet beginning of a new life, one that will depend entirely on the care and protection of its parents. Here, everything finds its purpose. Now begins a quieter, yet equally demanding phase. The eggs must be kept warm, shielded from the shifting air beyond the walls. The female settles, patient and still, while the male remains nearby. Time moves slowly here, but within this stillness, life is already taking shape.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
After days of quiet waiting, the stillness begins to change. A faint crack appears on the surface of an egg, then another. With gentle effort, new life pushes outward, fragile, unsteady, yet determined. At last, the first chick emerges, and the next chapter quietly begins. The demands of parenthood begin immediately. The chicks are helpless, blind, fragile, and entirely dependent. From dawn until dusk, the parents must search, return, and feed, again and again. There is no rest here, because every small meal is a step closer to survival. But with new life comes new danger. The nest, once a place of safety, now draws attention. Predators watch from a distance, waiting. The chicks cannot flee. Their survival depends entirely on the vigilance of their parents and the strength of the home that shields them.
Get back! Tink, tink, tink.
In the days after hatching, the chicks of the Rufous hornero grow rapidly, yet remain completely dependent. From dawn to dusk, their parents return again and again, bringing food, warmth, and protection. Every movement is purposeful, every effort relentless. In this fragile stage of life, survival is shaped not by strength, but by care, devotion, and the quiet sacrifice of those who nurture them. After nearly 4 weeks of sanctuary, the fortress has become too small for such big dreams. These young aviators, nurtured by mud and devotion, finally cross the threshold. Guided by instinct, they take their first fluttering steps into the vast pampa, transforming from nestlings into the next generation of masters. From fragile beginnings to hard-earned survival, the journey of the Rufous hornero reveals a quiet truth of the natural world. Life here is not defined by strength alone, but by persistence, care, and the will to endure. Yet beyond this story lies a greater responsibility: to protect